Certainly, Lionel Messi, the legendary Argentine footballer, boasts an impressive collection of extravagant possessions. Let's dive into the top 10 most expensive things owned by Messi. 1. Private jet, worth $16 million. Messi travels in style with his own private jet, ensuring comfort and convenience during his globetrotting adventures. 2. Car collection, worth $600 million. His car collection is jaw-dropping. It includes a rare Pagani Zonda, worth $1,850,000, a Maserati Gran Turismo, approximately $123,000, a Ferrari F43 Spider, over $200,000, and an Audi R8 V10, over $100,000. 7. 3. Mansions, worth $22.3 million. Messi's $7 million mansion in Castelldefels, Spain, offers stunning views of the Catalan hills and the Mediterranean Sea. He invested an additional $2 million in renovations, enhancing its value. 4. Yacht, worth $14 million. Messi enjoys luxury on the high seas with his own yacht. 5. Golden Foot, worth $5.3 million. Messi's golden foot statue is a unique and valuable possession. 5. 6. World's most expensive car. In 2016, Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo vied for a 1957 Ferrari 335 Sport Spider Scaglietti driven by Sterling Moss. The final bid reached nearly $35 million, making it the most expensive car in the world. 4. 7. Charity foundation. Messi's philanthropic efforts include a charity foundation, demonstrating his commitment to giving back. 5. 8. Watches and jewelry. His watch collection alone is worth millions, featuring exquisite timepieces. 7. 9. Neighboring houses. When dealing with noisy neighbors, Messi took an unconventional approach. He bought their houses. Now he enjoys privacy in one of Barcelona's exclusive neighborhoods. 4. 10. Private theater, gym, and spa. Within his mansion, Messi has a private theater, a gym, and a spa, luxuries that reflect his status as one of the wealthiest athletes in the world. 4.